Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic EDRA Department of Information Technology. Today start sixth lecture on course that is subject Applied Multimedia Techniques. Next point, vision mission of department. You all are already known which are our mission and vision of our department. Okay, so once again we discuss our departmental vision and mission. Okay, what is meant by vision? Vision is ability to think about or plan the future to imagination, or vision is a public declaration that the organization is used declare or describe their high level goals. Okay, which are our departmental vision? To excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. These are our vision. And next, mission. What is meant by mission? Mission is public declaration that institute used to describe their purpose institute used to describe their purpose is what they do and why they do it. Means for completing of our vision and completing of our goals, we define the three mission statement. These are: first, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second is that to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third is to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. These are our departmental mission. Okay, in a vision, which are the keywords? Professionally competent engineers and needs of society and industry. And in also mission, which are the keywords? Quality education, professional skills and professional ethics. Okay, now start our today's lecture. Syllabus for that subject, there are total 5 units are there. Unit number 1, introduction to multimedia. Unit number 2, image editing and compression. Unit number 3, web page development using multimedia. Unit number 4, create 2D animation. Unit number 5, create 3D animation. In that unit number 2, introduction to multimedia are completed in a previous lectures. So in a lecture we start the new unit, that unit number 2, name is that image editing and compression. In that this subject is not a theory paper, okay, only for practical subjects, so no marks are needed. Summary of previous lecture means in unit number 1 their last points are analog and digital representation of media, creating multimedia based applications, fundamentals of virtual reality. After that their unit number 1 is completed. Now start unit number 2, and in a previous lecture I am given some homework. I hope all are completed it. Now start the unit number 2, image editing and compression. In that name is indicate that means what? In unit number 2 we studied how to editing image and how to compression it. Okay, in that unit outcomes means after the completion of unit we are achieve, okay, which points? 2a means unit number 2. So 2a describes use of the given image or graphics manipulation tools. Means in that you use the image manipulation tools or graphics manipulation tool. 2b identify changes occurred in the given file size and and image quality after format conversion. Okay. 2c describes the given image editing operation on an image. 2d explain features of the given image compression techniques. 2e write major steps to develop the image GIF or banner using GIF animator software. Means in that unit number 2 we use GIF animator software. After that, course outcomes. Okay, in a first lecture means where we discussed the syllabus, that time we said that which are the course outcomes. What is meant by course outcome? Means after completion of our course, that is subject, which points or which are achieved. Okay, in a prepare images using different color models. This CO achieved after the completion of unit number 1. After the completion of unit number 2, we are achieve edit images using graphical processing tools. Okay. Next CO, this achieved after the completion of unit number 3, build website with multimedia contents. This fourth CO is achieved after the completion of unit number 4, which CO develop 2D animation objects. Fifth CO develop 3D animation objects will be achieved after the completion of unit number 5. Okay, so in unit number 2, after the completion of unit number 2, you will be achieve edit images using graphical processing tools. After that, now we start the point under the unit number 2, image types. Image types means what? In that indicate we discussed which type of images are there. You all are already known. After that, raster format. Raster format means we in a previous lecture we studied vector and raster, means vector image and raster image. Okay, in that raster image format means file extension or image extension of that raster, which are the .bmp, .tif, .jpg and .png. These are studied one by one in that first bitmap BMP format. Okay, means what? These are the file extension of image. You already know what is meant by file extension. Extension means what? Which type of that file are indicated. Okay, for example, .doc means document file, .xls means Excel file, .ptx means PowerPoint file, etc. So in also image, .png means PNG file, .bmp means bitmap file. That's like in that also image their file extensions are there, and these are studied on today's lecture. Okay, sometimes called DIB means device independent bitmap. After that point, used to store bitmap digital images, especially on a Microsoft Windows and operating system, OS operating system. Okay, means what? These are the used to store the bitmap digital images. Means digital images are the considered as the BMP image. A bitmap images is grid made of rows and columns where a specific cell is given a value that fills it in or leaves it blanks, thus creating an image out of the data. Means what? Bitmap images is made by the grid, and in that rows and grid means what? In that made by the rows and columns. That format bitmap images are stored. Next point, it stores colors data for each pixel in the image without any compression. Okay, without any compression, Then each pixels are stored in that color on a .bmp image. Okay. After that, second raster format, that graphics interchange format, their abbreviation is GIF. Okay, commonly used for images on web and sprites in a software program. Is that means that a sprites it bitmap graphics that is designed to be part of large screen. When we large screen is there, that sprite, that bitmap graphics. Okay, means it can be either static images or an animated graphics. Okay, means what that sprites in software program means what, in that design the part of in a large screen, means what, that images just like as a constant image means that static image, or a animated graphics. Animated graphics means what, movable image. Okay, it means that constant, but that move that image, we feel that that image is in a working but not in a working. That's like. Next point, it uses lossless compressions that does not degrades the quality of the image. Means what, it uses lossless compressions. What is mean by lossless? Means in that images not degrade the quality of that image, means not reduce the quality of that image. After that, standard GIF image can include a maximum of 256 colors. In that use 256 colors maximum. Next point, it using custom color palette and applying to image and saving in GIF, it looks grainy and unrealistic. Means what, in that using custom color palette means what, collection of colors, means more than one colors or many colors are there, in that you applying on that image and saving in a GIF, and graying and unrealistic means in a black and white, and also the unrealistic means not unworkable, means that images are not unworkable, but you like or you feel that is working, is there. That's like. After that, it is more suitable for buttons and banner on websites. Means there is use in which area, in a when we creating the banner on websites there. Next raster format is that joint photographic expert group. Okay, that JPG means that that abbreviation is JPG, that long form is joint photographic expert group. Okay, in that is the popular image format, because in anywhere they use the which type of image, JPG image. Okay, you all are known what is meant by image, or you already know, but you know what are the extensions of file that images in your mobiles. Many images are there. Okay, so you check it which image formats are there. Most of the image formats is that JPG. So in that said that popular image format. Okay, when we image right click properties, check it, that we say that is there that image extension. Okay, commonly used by digital cameras to store photos, since it supports 2:24 or 777 to 16 colors. Okay, means that how to JPG image is captured, commonly used for digital cameras. Digital cameras through which images are captured, that are JPG images. Okay, and in that store means that supports 2:24 colors are there. Next point, it supports varying compressions level, which makes it ideal for web graphics. Means what? In that it supports for the web graphics, means on a internet. Doesn't supports transparency, means what? In that JPG based dot support for transparency. Next raster format type is that TIFF. Their long form is that tagged image file format. That abbreviation is TIFF. For their points are: for bitmapped image frequently used to exchange such files between dissimilar computers and by scanner when converting pictures to computer form. Okay, means what? Their bitmapped images are exchanged with that editing purpose. Okay, that time on a computer, that scanners, means what? That exchanging the such files, means what? That some like a editing and storing that purpose images are known as the TIFF. It primarily designed for the raster data interchange. Next point, suitable for professional quality images. That can use very large color palettes, means what? Collection of colors, means that present the maximum colors, more than one colors, number of colors are there. Used to publishing and printing industries. In that industries, when printing or publishing purpose that images are used, that time which type of images? That the TIFF images are there. After that, portable network graphics, that is PNG. It was created as an open format to replace GIF. Is what is created by using the open format. Maximum PNG and JPG images are there. Okay, it allows for a full range of colors and better compression. Next point, it is used for web images, means on a internet, never for the print images, and not good for photographs because it is created at the large files. After that, better for images with same text or line arts, means in a same text are when we are use or lines, that time to use the which type of image? .png. Okay, that long form is portable network graphics. Okay, sorry. After that, difference between their raster formats. Okay, PNG, JPG, GIF, TIF, their columns is that use, example, uses and don't use, means in which areas are used. PNG, their use is that graphics, small images that maintain originally quality and transparency. In which areas that use the PNG images? In charts, diagrams, logos and photos. Don't use this. In which field not use? Sharing high resolution photos on the web. When high resolution, that time not used. Okay, JPG uses photos on the web, on internet. Web, that all our photos, mostly JPG images are there. Uses photos in a slide desk, blogs or a social media. In a social media means your Facebook, WhatsApp, your mobile, that in a which type of images? JPG images are there. Don't use means in which areas is not used? Editing images, line graphics or print, that purpose not used for that JPG image. After that, GIF, which use in which area? What is the use? Small simple graphics with limited colors. Limited colors means what? There black and white only, what that there. So after that, examples uses advertisement of banner. Any advertise any advertising, that time we created the banner, that time use the GIF image. simple charts, buttons, or animation. Okay, most of the animation GIF images are used. After that, photographs or detailed imagery. Okay, that are not used for their field. Okay, animation means, for example, that images are constant, but you feel that is running or in working area, so that are the animation, that type the GIF images. After that, TIFF uses is that editing and storing. When we editing and storing purpose, that which type of image are used? TIFF. Okay, means or in examples are there, storing photos that will be edited and print, means that in areas in any areas we first of all we captured, after the editing, after the print, that images are said as the TIFF. In which areas not used? Images on the web, but remaining are image formats are used on a web. Okay, summary on that on today's lecture. On today's lecture we start the unit number 2 under the point image type. In our image type is indicate that in that point we studied the which type of images are there under the raster format. Okay, bitmap image, bitmap means BMP format, graphics interchange format, GIF, joint photographics expert group, JPG. After that, tagged image file format, TIFF. After that, portable network graphics, PNG. Okay, in that not just in detail we studied, because it is not a theory paper, only for practical subjects there. So actually image types is the one type of one subject is there. In that more many sub points are there, but your level not details are in details are studied, only for concepts are clear. That's enough for you yourself. Because why we use these image types? Because in a practical concept or in a practical syllabus there, some images we applying the effect, means compressing, check the file size, check the file type. Okay, so we create the GIF image, so that time you know what is mean by image, what is mean by that image types. So that syllabus are added in your syllabus. So not need to details are studied, only for your clear that point, means we clear the point which file formats are there, these are the file formats are there, and after that we discuss the difference is there, difference in that file extension, and this only for their points are enough for yourself. Okay, not need to the in detail, because not this is not necessary, because this is not only for practical subject, so not necessary to in detail the study. Okay, so I am to try, I will be trying to only for your concept is clear. So we notes are there in a small points, because not necessary to in details are studied, not written, only for your concept is clear, then enough for you. So okay, that homework on today's lecture is that write in your notebook today's lecture points, means continue over these points, because this on today's lecture we start the unit number 2. So in unit number 2, in first lecture we said that syllabus, so your syllabus is there, that we write the new unit number 2 under the on today's points. Okay, no any giving the assignments, because it is not a theory paper, once again told that. So only for return your notes points in your notebook, and their points are used in your practical. Even your practical syllabus are also different in the part of our theory concepts. Okay, so not taken attention, only for in a practical is so easy. Okay, so your homework is that only for points are written your notebook. here stop our on today's lecture. In a lecture any doubts are created, then contact with me, no problem. Okay, thank you.